Egypt tourism sector is set to benefit after the launch of the Esna Tourism Promotion Campaign in Luxor Governorate. The USAID-funded $8.6 million investment is set to restore historic landmarks, revitalize Esna's tourism infrastructure, and will showcase Esna as a prime tourist destination to tour operators, investors, and the public. Here are more details of these and many more Africa news items.
The United States has contributed more than $100 million to preserve dozens of cultural heritage sites throughout Egypt. The campaign is expected to put Esna back on tourism map and engage the private sector to explore investment opportunities and partnerships. It will hold exhibitions, photography competitions, and folkloric events to highlight Esna's attractions, its readiness to host expanded tourism, and opportunities for potential further investment. Also, it will create jobs and increase public and private investment in Egypt. Meanwhile, Mozambique has ushered in a new era of widespread economic growth and stability after the Mozambican president inaugurated a new power plant in Cabo Delgado. The transition to clean energy includes approval of a legal framework to attract more investors in Mozambique. This plant will enable access to electric power, which will facilitate economic activities by reducing cost, creating jobs, improving living conditions. The 920 solar panels and the entire system will produce more energy, impacting positively the economic sector in the country. Finally, less money was sent through mobile money platforms in Ghana last December than was transferred through the platform in November last year. A Bank of Ghana report on electronic transactions showed that the value of mobile money transactions fell to 82.9 billion Ghanaian cedi in December from 86.1 billion Ghanaian cedis recorded in the period under review. The central bank summary of financial and economic data indicated that the decline was the first since September, but the third in the year. The drop in the value from November to December 2021 was also the first of its kind since 2019, when the central bank started publishing data on mobile money transactions.